Foundation Quick Revision. It's paper 2 of 2023 and it is a calculator. So, write down 2 factors of 18. Well, you should all know how to do your factors, and all that's asking you to do is what numbers can we divide into 18? So we've got 1 times 18 works, 2 times 9 equals 18, and we've also got 3 times 6 equals 18. So our 2 factors are 2 and 3. So it's 1 mark now. Next one, write 0.9 as a fraction. So you can put that in your calculator and just put 0.9 into your calculator. Answer, whatever your calculator answer button is, and then go S to D button, and that will give you 9/10. And that's 1 mark. Change 7 meters to centimeters. So 1 meter, 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So you do need to know these. Your calculator's not going to tell you that. So 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. And we've got 7 meters. So all we're going to do is 7 times 100 equals 700 centimeters. And that's 1 mark. You've got to remember, even though it's calculated paper, there are things that you need to combine your revision. It's not like, oh, it's okay, I can go into the exam, I've got a calculator. It doesn't work like this. The calculator's not going to solve this one. Yes, it's going to solve that one, but you still need to know how to use a calculator to get that answer. And your conversions you need to know, because your calculator's not going to do that. Write down a square number that is between 10 and 50. So, would you use a calculator for this? You could do, but you've been doing trial and error forever. So, you've got to think on your feet and you've got to revise your square numbers before you go in. So, I know that I'm going to start with 16 because 4 squared is 16. Next one, I'm going to go 5 squared, which is 25. Then I'm going to go 36, 6 squared. Then I'm going to go 7 squared, which is 49. And the answer says, write down a square number that is between 10 and 50. World your oyster, pick one. I'm just going to go 36. Work out 50% of 240. So that's, you can do on your calculator, but it may be quicker just to go half it. And that's your answer, 120. Then you could put that in your calculator if you're really not sure, but sometimes you can get a bit flustered going onto the calculator for simple things. Lydia works for 4 hours. She is paid £50. How much is Lydia paid per hour? So as you can see, even though you've got a calculator, there's more work involved. So Lydia works for 4 hours. She's paid £50. How much is Lydia paid per hour? Well, it's £50 divided by 4 equals £12.50. Next, here is a 3D shape. Write down the name of this 3D shape, but it's called a cone. In the space below, draw a sketch of a triangular prism. Now, the only way I can get you to remember this by is a Toblerone. We all know what a Toblerone is, don't we? It's a delicious chocolate bar that I can't spell. Toblerone, is that right? I don't know. So, think of a Toblerone when you think of triangular prism. I'm going to try my best to draw it for you. So, it's a 3D shape. It's not bad. And that's a triangular prism. Now, once again, the calculator can't do that for you. So you still need to study your shapes before you go into the exam. Bye.